Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Got another quick little video here with a few pointers to help you out. If you have a Nissan, I guess apply to many models. I've got a Nissan Micra. Apparently this is only in Canada because I went to Rock Auto to look for parts and it's not even listed on the Rock Auto website. So let me show you quickly what the problem is here. I've got Nissan Micra, the back driver's side door would not unlock. It was the actuator or something was broken inside the actuator, and so you couldn't even unlock it by hand or by power. So to get the thing off, let me show you what I had to do. Nissan Micra. Alright, so here's the handle. I had to get a screwdriver in here and pry it up with a screwdriver as far as I could, and with the window open, reach through and pulled on the outside door handle to get it open. Because when this mechanism's broken, there's no way to really get the door open when it's locked shut. Anyway, so what, looking all around, calling a auto parts wrecker here in town, and they said this part's not even available all across the whole country. So I thought I was in trouble. I ran out to my local pick and pull, Lethbridge Airport Pick Apart, and for a few bucks got one off of a 2013 Nissan Versa. I brought this one out with me to compare. Went and looked at the Nissan Versa, and it's the exact same part. The handle on the Versa was chrome locks and all that, but other than that, it's the same part. All right, so now to get at this, if you've taken off a door panel before, you probably can figure out fairly easy. In through the door handle, there's a Torx bit, and let's see, what size is that little guy? A T20 Torx bit that you take out of the little cup, door handle cup there, and then in behind it will be a 10 mil bolt going into the door. So once you get that off, then you can grab the right hand side here. There's the door card has a bit of a plastic overhang. You give it a sharp pull and you pull the door card off all the way around the outside, and then lift it up off the top here, and that gets your door panel off. And then you've got just an electrical connection here for the switch. You just press down on that guy right there, and it's gonna release from the door card. All right, so once that's done, you've got another Torx right here, T30. You got 3 T30s on there. So you pull that, take those out. When you've taken electrical connection, there's electrical connection here. You're gonna squeeze that guy in the back of there to get it off of the actuator. And what I did here to get a little bit of room, there's a 10 mil bolt right here on the window track. So then you can get a little bit of room there. Connection here from the outside door handle, you have to remove that. And I'll show you here. It comes off of this connection right here. And it goes on something like that. So what you do is pull off the front part here. Oh, I can't show you with both hands. Pull this off, slide this part off here, and then pull the whole unit forward, and it'll slide out of this bracket here because it's almost impossible to pull it out sideways from that. So if you take the front part off, and then you can pull it out that way. So then you disconnect the outside door handle from the actuator here. All right, so then all it is a matter of disconnecting these two connections from the handle and replacing it with this new one. Putting it back's just the reverse of taking it apart. Make sure you get all your bolts in the right places, and good luck. So there you go. Another quick little pointer. This will work with probably almost any car, but this is how the little Nissan works. Hope you like it. If you did and it helped you out any, give me a thumbs up and a like and a subscribe, and it really helps my little channel out. All right, have a great day.